June the 3rd, 2016. Welcome to hurricane season. Guys, this is just a quick video because the chances of tropical cyclone formation has increased rapidly since this morning. Now it's up to a 70% chance, and you can see in this area in the red that it's going to probably hit that central part of Florida. Now, they're not sure the exact location because we have a front that's moving from west to east that's been flooding Texas, and it's finally moving towards the east, and that may change, but it says this disorganized showers and thunderstorms continue over the western Caribbean. The system is moving northeast, and you saw that cone. Now, 70% chance is major. Usually when they say that, guys, it's going to form, and what they're looking at are all the different conditions in this area. But you can see, if I go to infrared and what's called the rainbow imaging for the tropics, you can see the power in the cloud tops. Now, notice you're in the Gulf of Mexico, and the storms are starting to move out of Texas through Louisiana, Mississippi. That's going to be the steering factor on whether it comes up closer to Alabama north or further south in Florida. Now, again, the reason I'm doing it is because there's thousands of boat owners and people that boat in that area, and I have my old sailboat down in the Perdido area. It just across the Alabama line there, and I'm going to have to go down this weekend and tie up everything just in case. That's just one of the natural things you do. But, guys, this thing, depending on the temperatures of the water, which they're very hot, and the speed of the wind shear and the movement of this front that you see on the left side of your screen will determine where this thing hits. Another thing is, we've seen the strangest weather this year around the planet than any other year. You're seeing that they're saying from 10 to 16 named storms, 4 to 8 hurricanes, 1 to 4 major. Now, typical tracks and origins of the storms in June, and you can see we're dead in that track area as far as the major ones. Let's look at current radar going to Winterground, and it's not picking up a lot, but we're going to overlay it with the satellite imaging here, and you can see what we're dealing with. You've got that low pressure and that right there, guys. That's what they're watching. They're calling it Invest 93L, just like they always do. The gusts now are up to 30 miles per hour. It doesn't seem that strong unless you have ever sailed in that Gulf of Mexico. A 30-knot wind is nothing you really want to mess with. But I'm concerned because we're moving into warm waters in the Gulf. We have the Gulf Stream rotating in the center of the Gulf, a very hot area, and it's only going to strengthen the storm. Again, the track, they've got it pretty close, but we're going to have to wait and see the speed of that front that's been flooding you guys in Texas. It looks like you may be starting to get a break, as you see after days of it sitting there, that now it's coming eastward again into Louisiana and Mississippi. There's still clouds there, and you still may get more rain, but we've broken records this year, and that's why I'm concerned about the storm. Don't get caught off guard. You know, it never hurts to have a little extra water and food and gas in your car. Go ahead and fill up your tanks and stuff like that, just in case you have to get out. No one's saying this thing is going to be major, guys, but I am concerned because of the weather patterns and the extreme lightning and the flooding and the other records that we've seen in these days and times. So it's a heads up. Be safe.